reveal.
Palakpakan mo natin once again yung family member of our video tonight. Wait lang. Moment. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Ferry is now officially the legal age. Blow your candles.
Pagdali na di kayo magandot. Mag-shot na tagay. Hula-hula na dali. Uy, get na cancel!
Tanan tanggal yata kay kulot kay yang pa.
Grabe! Ang galing ko talaga, parang professional. Baka kayo. Sure na yun. Birthday boy.
February 18, 2007, correct? Correct! Congratulations! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 more questions. Correct? Correct! Congratulations! Okay, kani.
Wala na, ismaya sa ay.
Middle blow. Yes! Congratulations! Maldita daw. Backstabber. Backstabber? Dili na backstabber. Umasa ko ang sa isa.
Okay, last two.
Okay, last two.
Say last
Torito. No artista ni Pepe. Lalaki. Pero hindi na. Favorite, naki-favorite artista pa ba eh? Sa lalaki na favorite na, ha? Ang bago na naganaan yun, alam mo, sino-sino yung mga
So, na lang tayo. Gusto nyo. Staycation.
Pinsan niya na ni Pepe na artista lalaki. Ikaw, pinsan mo dyan ka, pinsan mo. Ikaw, pinsan mo yung pinawadan. Daniel Manaklinda. Pinsan, Pilo.
Take a moment tayo. Tawag ang sound. Take mo yung bulsa.
So I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all of you for coming to my birthday, to celebrate my birthday. And I'm so grateful to have you all here tonight, and I'm having a wonderful time. So I want to special thanks to my parents for everything they do for me. You've always been there for me, the thick and thin, and I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You've taught me so much, and I'm so grateful for all the love and support you've given. I love you both very much. And I'm also grateful for all my friends, my family, and who are here today. And especially kay Ate Jane sa pagkabarga sa karon. And kay Ate Isol. Ay, Sabana. Sa pag-prepare namin para may sa and kay Ate King. Sabana! Thank you so much on your effort. And you've all made my birthday so special. And I'm so lucky to have you in my life. Thank you so much kay sa pamilya nila sa pag-birthday. And for making me such a memorable birthday. And sa ako ang family, I'll decide sa akong mama. And thank you po sa photographer sa iyang effort na sige kwantuan sa mga ako visitor si panawag siya picture. So thank you so much, and I feel so loved and supported, and I'm so grateful for all of you. Thank you.
Yes, happy birthday! Okay.